Hi, wanted to hop on really quick because I wanted to talk about attending Chad Nedland's masterclass today about creating a new life. Um, I learned so much about casting my vision for the future and, how to put in the work to ensure that what we perceive and want for ourselves happens. Well, after the course, I jumped on a call with Chad, my coach, and he said that he noticed during the course of the class that only two people were able to see the live that was going on out of the 26 that had signed up and said that they were interested in attending the event. Now, most people would see this as a complete failure and catastrophe, but the cool thing was, Chad learned something new about the platform and actually had gotten so excited because he found a way to streamline his process and ultimately save money for his business in the future. Now that's something, Chad does very well. And the really cool part was I got to see the results about what he was talking about in the training in real time, to where he turned what most people would see as utter catastrophe into a business asset. That was really awesome. Now, I just wanted to talk about that. And if you're interested in the training, let me know. I will send you a link or let Chad know you would like an invite. Otherwise, I will see you in the next one.